That's so pretty.
Ah!
Wow.
It's a big one! Another one!
And you got the
Another one!
camera?
Another one! Cabo, you gotta keep yelling another
Happy
one.
4th of July,
Yeah.
our American friends.
Yeah.
You gotta keep yelling another one.
That's spectacular. That's like Camp Pendleton.
Yeah.
Wow.
See, can you imagine being down there on that beach?
No, not really. I'm
Be
good
on
here.
fire.
I'm good right here.
I know.
So scary.
Yeah.
Smoky too.
Welcome to Mexico.
Yep. No rules, no safety.
No rules, no safety.
That should be the new
Just
one.
have a good
Instead of
time.
bad days, no safety.
That's amazing.
Then no one would come there.
Wow.
Listen to yourself. You know, it's not very comfy. Like, it's the same thing, just with this one top.
So they do those right on the beach?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right on top of all those people.
That's how she was.
Holy smoke.
I can
That's why
actually
it's scary.
smell the smoke.
There's no like rules.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
Look at it.
What's the fuck?
That's
Oh
huge.
my god.
Now it's so smoky you can't even see them.
Wow.
We should have gone.
You know what? Yeah, that is pretty scary.
And it's not like they do one at a time.
Oh, it's a pyro.